Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope everybody's doing good today. I wanted to see if the foil glue gel that I used on Monday really works on different types of foils, so I'm going to try it out on two different kinds today. What I have already on my nails, just to save some time, is Modelones 1017. I'll try to link the collection below that's in it. I'm going to try some of these cheap AliExpress or Wish foils. And I'm not sure about which of these two clear backed ones that I'm going to try as well. I really am digging this one. But then again, this one's so pretty. This is the kind that I used the other day, and I already have a coat of this on, and I've let it cool off so that we can test whether it works when it's cooled off or not as well. So let's just get into this. Okay, as I'm pulling it out of the container, I actually got some on my nail. So it does show that it works a little bit at least. So let's see. And if you get it without any wrinkles, that would be the best, but I never can. A little jelly polish over the top also is like excellent. I'm just so scared because you can't see on these types if it, oh yeah, it released. Look at that. Almost perfect. And this could be where I didn't get it on my nail quite that well. That's so cool. I might not have got it on those spots as well. So let me put a little bit more on and try that again. It is really hard on my fingers to get up close to the free edge. I mean, up to my skin. It's really hard. Got such thick sidewalls. So let's just do a whole coat all over again. And it does say to cure for 60 to 90 seconds. I only did 30 seconds earlier. So let me give this a try again. Okay, again, I only cured it for 30 seconds. I'm in a little impatient sort. And it's clear, so clear builder gels always cure my lamp in 30. Let me get a fresh spot on this. I've never had them work this good in my life. This is like so cool to me. I don't even think I pressed tip of my finger the first time. I'm so used to having to rub it that I'm scared it's not gonna show. Oh yeah, I can see it popping off again already. Let's see. Pretty cool. Coming off so good that I got a little bit of like residual dust on here. That is really cool. I like that. Okay, on to test the foil that I was originally going to use. Let's see. Now that I know it's working, I'm going to have to adjust my patterns a little bit. I already see it lifting off the instant I touch down. But since this is such a pattern, I want to make sure I get as much of it on there as possible. I like the clear backed ones because you can actually see if it lifted off really easily. I'm sitting here pushing it down, it was on my nail. That's so funny. Look at that, a clear. I'm really digging this. This is very sticky. I could just do a whole flower there. Oh, I'm loving these. I want to get this big flower on this hand. Holy moly, look at that. That's awesome. Let me use this partial one here. Oops, I touched down. You touch down, you're committed with this stuff. That's awesome. So this one's gonna be a little wonky because I touched down and I lit it up. That is so pretty. Let me try to get a little bud on here or something on my tip of my nail. I guess from now on I'm gonna have to cut my foils down because they're sticking so good now. Let's try just cutting out a piece. See if I can handle it better. Let's see if we can get this on here so that the bud that only has a partial is on there. I'm still so scared to pick it up early. Like, is it on there? Is it not on there? Look at that! A complete transfer. Got a little bit of the pink foil on this one. I'm really digging that. I'm like so astonished that this works so well. Okay, I have my right hand done. I decided to just forgo the eye nail, and I have out snow, pure snow from Modelones, the glitter gels, and I'm just going to put a light layer over top just to give it a little something else. And then if there's spots where I missed, I can always hide it with a little glitter. Glitter makes everything better. I always say, glitter just makes everything better. You could put a strategic gem placement or something along those lines. It's gonna be pretty cool. I'm gonna add a few gems and finish this up, and I'll see you next time here at Nails of Interest. Thank you for being here with me today, everyone. Have a great day. I'll link all the products below for your convenience. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me.